Hi guys, my name is Ivan Chanel. I'm Landicho. I am the leader of Group 2.
Hi guys, I am Princess Timor Sigan, the one member of Group 2.
Hi guys, my name is Jandy Kate Billy. I am the one of member of Group 2.
Hi guys, my name is Jacqueline. The one of
Hi guys, my name is Martin.
Hi guys, my name is Duarte Cambinas Cala.
So yun guys, maglilibot tayo sa aming campus, sa BNHS. Let's go! So, pupunta tayo dito sa court and stage namin. So yan guys, yan po ang aming stage, Balete National High School. Poblasyon, Balete, Batangas. Yan. Ito po ang kanilang doon po ang grade 10. Yan po, din po sa last ng yan. Tapos dun tayo. Yun po yung iba naming mga klase. Naglilibot din po sila. So yan guys. Ang dami ditong building sa amin. Grade 10. Ito po ang aming school canteen. Ito naman po ang clinic. And dun po ang room namin. Sa may
This is Mama Mary. It is architecture and it's made of stone. And it has design that included in our topic in Math 7.
The school building, but how this is made. This is the main permanent structure with walls and roofs. It holds all the classroom, office, and facilities. It keeps everyone safe from the sun and rain and wind. It has strong foundation, floors, and rooms arranged so students and teachers can study, work, and comfortably.
The Garden of Balete National High School.
Here's the plan.